Throughout this adventure, learners are encouraged to showcase their skills and transcreate them into personal power skills. This will help them to actualize in healthy ways, supporting academic integrity, true inclusivity, and problem solving. Power skills are abilities that are both natural and supernatural. These skills are needed to advance in the 21st century. Everyone has power skills. It's simply a matter of how perfectly practiced those skills are. Everything changes. I have witnessed change happening when it didn't seem to be. I want to share what I have learned with the most powerful in our sector. That is encoding. The team who reads it will be able to decode with their special tools. They must first understand that this isn't just any adventure. It is critical and will restore the necessary balance to the universe and save humanity. They must be willing to commit to being their best self while respecting and honoring their team members. Knowing that we can do this together makes it all worth it. I'll see you on ground floor.